A Landscape with Drying Clothes by Makarand Joshi.
Hi, this video gives you insight to the painting process of a landscape of a remote village and a corner in that village with a few clothes drying and a cloudy sky.
If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. And do not forget to leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like, then yes, definitely. And even if you do not like, or if you do not find this video interesting, still kindly leave a comment. It's going to help me grow this channel. Towards the end of this video, you'll find a sequence of images depicting the development of this particular landscape at different stages in a chronological order. Which part of the painting or the process you like the most? Please share in the comment box below. Final outcome. And as usual, a quick recap of the entire process of painting this picture. If you like this video and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Until then, happy viewing and happy painting.